All right, y'all. We're at Happy Day Farm.
Put me in the game, coach.
With these beautiful models, we're about to do some sunflower field photo shoot pictures and some videos and some vlogs. We just got here. Say what's up, y'all.
Hey.
All right.
You didn't even have the lemonade.
We should have said that. It's ice cold lemonade.
Get your lemonade.
All right, so we just got to the sunflower field with some bottles and we're gonna start the photo shoot. How y'all feeling today?
Good.
Pretty good. Very excited to get started.
All right, stay tuned for the pictures, guys.
Yes, let's get into it.
Oops.
And you gotta try your hardest to be in the video because you keep getting lost behind me.
What do you want? I'm gonna end up tripping over somebody. Like
You wanna come next to me?
Like right next.
That might be easier. Let's do
Yeah, we
this.
can pick
for
windows
blocking
back
her.
here.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
That does work. But I did like the doors. The doors were fire.
Action.
Hi.
What's going on, everybody? We're at Happy Day Farm with a few more models this year and we're gonna do sunflower field photo shoot. Stay tuned for the pictures. Say what's up, ladies.
Hi. I had a nap on the way here.
Yes, I was.
Oh yeah, that was a good nap. It was like
You fell asleep too?
Yeah, I was like in and out.
Damn.
I was like up.
What if I said I fell asleep?
Imagine.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even call
Got
on
y'all
to
here
it.
safe, right?
She ready.
Hey, what's going up, y'all? What's going on, y'all?
Hi.
We're here at Happy Day Farm with a few models. You want to start all over?
Yeah.
Like, oh my
We're gonna do some bloopers. This will be funny.